Okay, afternoon good people. This is Sam, South Carolina Half Bees. And we're looking at 127 East Fence now. It has a white queen. Last time we checked it was February the 2nd, day's 13th. We have a beautiful sunny day today. We haven't had that for a while. I had to get out and charge my batteries up with the sun. Okay. I got a bald head. I need to take my hat off so my solar worker will work. But anyway, had a white queen, eggs, brood, and drones. So, it's been a little over a week since we checked them. So we're going to check them again here. And see if we have a queen cell anywhere. They've eaten their food. We've had some wind and rain and cold. Today's the first day in a long time I was able to actually come out and check more than one hive. Because you got to get in and get out of your hives if it's kind of cool. You got to get in them as soon as you can where the weather's right, and you got to get out so they got time enough to warm the hive back up. This is just paper. You know, here you go. Make sure y'all can see that. Yep. Okay. But these white queens, she's 3 years old, so she'll be making queen cells. They'll kill her and make queens, or else she'll fly off and take 1/3 of her hive with her. So that's why we're checking them. This one has some honey, pollen. This one has nothing. Has that honey at the top. White queen's kind of hard to see too, people. This one has pollen. It's a pretty frame to lay on. Right there. Here's got pollen on it. This will probably be the last one we check today. This one here we have pollen, nectar, larvae, eggs, drones, this one here has the same thing, and I don't see the queen. We'll check them again in about a week, both sides. This one has brood and drones. You start seeing drones like that, it's time to check them a lot to make sure about queen cells. It has eggs and larvae, honey, pollen. Y'all can go ahead and give me a thumbs up now. I'll give my bees a thumbs up. Subscribe. There's the queen. Right there. White queen. Right there. So she's still doing good, but we're going to have to keep looking for those drone cells. We don't like keeping our queens out too long. But you notice it's in the middle. No, it ain't. One on the side. Okay. This one has stores, honey, nectar, pollen. Good frame. Okay. I'm not going to the bottom. No need to. Queen's at the top still. Well, we're going to put this one here because that's the empty side. Yep, turn it around backwards. The queen is here, so she can lay on that one. We're going to put this one with stores in it this side, where it belongs. That's where it came from, Sam. Yep. Now, if the Mars is pretty, I'm going to the farm and the nursery. I'm going to try to make videos out there, but I'm not sure. And I hope y'all enjoyed that. Give us a thumbs up and a comment, share, subscribe, and y'all can keep up with what I'm doing out here. If y'all still want to see something that I'm not doing, you let me know. I mean, I've only been doing this for 25 years come April. I don't know everything, and if y'all got some comments you can give me to help me out with some stuff, you let me know. We're going to give them some more sugar and put the top on. Give them a little bit more pollen and call it a day with them. But y'all have a great day, great week coming up. Be careful. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Let us know if you want to see something else. But right now, this is about it as far as beehives going. And we're in South Carolina, so we can make queens. Some will make, some won't. And we'll talk with you later. Y'all have a great day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Let people know where we're at. Be careful. Bye.